Hello guys, in this video I will tell you about how to create a website on Wix. Number 1. The step number 1 is to open your browser. Number 2. The number 2 step is to open a website that is called Wix, www.wix.com. First of all, sign up for your username. Number 2, choose a template. Number 3, update your text and images on template. Number 4, personalize the background. Number 5, add pages and site navigation. Number 6, add apps on your website for users. Number 7, set up a blog. Number 8, add an online store. Number 9, optimize your search engines. Number 10, make it look good on mobile. Number 11, choose a domain name, means choose a website name. Number 12, publish your website. I would further discuss the steps that I have told to you. Step 1 is sign up. If you have compared the top website builders out there and come on conclusion that Wix is for you, then a lot of your work is already done. But there is still one more discussion to make before Wix does the rest of heavy lifting. You need to pick up pricing plan. Wix offers 8 pricing plans, so there are a few different places you can start, all with subscription. We recommend premium plans that affordable and open up more business opportunities. Number 1 plan is combo plan, which costs $18 per month and $14 per month if you pay this yearly. Number 2, unlimited plan. Unlimited plan is the plan which costs $23 monthly and $18 if you pay it yearly. Pro plan. Pro plan is $28 per month, while the VIP plan is $47 per month, and business VIP plan is $56 per month. There are also many other plans. We recommend the combo plan for small business because it is free from ads, comes with a personalized domain name for 1 year, and provides enough storage for most website needs. It is also very reasonable. If you are starting an online store, the business unlimited option allows for, you guessed it, because it provides us unlimited products. For larger online stores, through VIP plan is best because it offers first priority customer support. Step 2, choose a template. How to choose a template? To get started, select create a new site from the drop down menu in the top right corner of the dashboard. Once you click, Wix will ask what type of website you want. There are options for everyone, from online store to personal portfolios. Based on your selection, you will be taken to a page of relevant templates to choose from, and what it comes from Wix template. There are over 500 templates which you can use for your creating a Wix website. So if your dream template isn't in your selected category, you can always use the search bar to find more. Number 3, update your text and images. Text and images depends on your website details. At this point, you will get to see the preview of page of your chosen template. This is where you can play around with simple but brilliant editing features like the drag and drop design and text boxes to write your name. For some in-depth assistance, check out this video on Wix. Video link is in description. First, you will want to update your company portfolio or blog details. Simply click on the text and write down what you want to change, then rewrite. It's that easy. You can also change the color of font, you can also change the font size, and you can also change typeface favorites like italics and bold. Many extra fonts are also available on the part of update text and images. Number 4 step is personalize the background. If small images aren't enough, you can also change your template background. The left hand sidebar features a background button which you can use to click and change with ease. Number 5, add pages. Once you've created a stunning home page, there are few other pages you should add to ensure your website has everything visitors are looking for. Number 6, add apps. You can add apps on your website to make it strong. By this point, you've customized your site's template and added some solid images and pages. But if your style feels a little plain, there's no need to worry. Adding some exciting bells and whistles is a lot easier than it seems. Number 7, set up a blog. Keep your audience in the loop with professional looking blog images. Then the last step is add an online store. There are many other steps, but I would recommend the last step is choose a domain name. Before you publish your Wix website, you will need to set your domain. Wix will promote you to do this. After updating domain, you can simply publish your Wix editor site, and the Wix editor site would be published. So go to www.wix.com and make your own blog, website, or make your own app online store. Thank you.